The holidays feel a little warmer when there's a mug of hot cocoa in your hands. Today, we're making 5 cozy hot cocoa recipes, each one rich, comforting, and perfect for cold winter nights. Let's begin. For our first recipe, classic marshmallow hot cocoa, you'll need 2 cups of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mini marshmallows, and a pinch of cocoa powder. Warm the milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Whisk in the cocoa powder and sugar until smooth and creamy. Turn off the heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Pour into a mug, add mini marshmallows, and sprinkle a little cocoa powder on top. A nostalgic classic you'll make again and again. Next, let's make peppermint mocha hot cocoa. You'll need 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of coffee or a single shot of espresso, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of peppermint extract, whipped cream, and crushed peppermint candies. Warm the milk, then whisk in the cocoa powder and sugar. Pour in the coffee, or your espresso shot, then add the peppermint extract. Top with whipped cream and crushed peppermint candies. A drink that tastes like pure Christmas cheer. Now, let's create salted caramel hot cocoa. Gather 2 cups whole milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons caramel sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, a pinch of sea salt, whipped cream, and extra caramel for drizzling. Warm the milk over medium heat. Whisk in the cocoa powder, sugar, and caramel sauce until everything melts together. Add a pinch of sea salt to balance the sweetness. Pour into a mug, top with whipped cream, and drizzle with caramel. Sweet, silky, and indulgent. Our fourth recipe is Nutella hot cocoa bliss. You'll need 2 cups whole milk, 3 tablespoons Nutella, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, whipped cream, and a spoonful of toasted hazelnuts for garnish. Warm the milk in a saucepan. Add the Nutella and cocoa powder, whisking gently until the mixture is smooth, melted, and velvety. Pour into a mug and top with whipped cream. Finish with a sprinkle of toasted hazelnuts. A creamy, chocolate hazelnut dream in every sip. And finally, gingerbread hot cocoa. You'll need 2 cups whole milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons sugar, half a teaspoon ground ginger, half a teaspoon cinnamon, whipped cream, and a gingerbread cookie for garnish. Warm the milk on medium heat, then whisk in the cocoa powder, sugar, ginger, and cinnamon. Stir until everything becomes warm, cozy, and fragrant. Pour into a mug and top with whipped cream. Add a gingerbread cookie on the rim for the perfect festive touch. It tastes like Christmas in a cup. These 5 hot cocoa recipes are simple, comforting, and perfect for any holiday moment. Warm your home, your gatherings, and your season, one mug at a time. Be sure to check out this video for more.